Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Akakadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out on this recent news article from the Jerusalem Post as tensions once again heats up over there in the Red Sea between the Israeli Defense Force and the Houthi rebels, which is backed by pro-Iranian group and the pro-Iranian Hezbollah. Pro-Iranian Houthi rebels going against the Israeli Defense Force as well too. Definitely over there in the Red Sea, tensions has been definitely continuing to escalate. And it reads, U.S. intercepts over a dozen Houthi drone missiles. The IDF intercepted drones towards of Eilat. And this was published by TZVI JOFFRE, published December the 26th, 2023 at 8:04 and last updated December the 27th, 2023, and it reads, it says India's Navy deployed 3 destroyers to maintain their deterrent presence in various locations after an attack near the Indians' borders. It says the U.S. downed 12 kamikaze drones, 3 anti-ship ballistic missiles, and 2 land attack cruise missiles fired by the Houthis in the southern Red Sea. Within that period of just 10 hours on Tuesday, the U.S. Central Command, CENTCOM, announced the U.S. Lebanon and FA-18 Super Hornet from the Amheiser Carrier Strike Group intercepted the projectiles. No damages or injuries were caused in the Houthis' attacks. It says the United Kingdom Military Trade Operation reported several incidents in the Red Sea through the day on Tuesday, with several vessels reported sighting missiles, drones, and explosives nearby. The Houthis announced on Tuesday evening that they have targeted the MSC United with missiles and fired several drones towards the Eilat. The IDF said on Tuesday afternoon that it had intercepted a drone over the Red Sea that was headed towards Israel. The Houthis reiterated that claim that they are only targeting Israeli ships and ships headed towards Israeli ports. On Tuesday afternoon, a drone was down near the Egyptian Red Sea resort of the Dahab, and the second such incident in a month, 2 security sources told Reuters. Indian deployed Navy to guard ships after attack. Also on Tuesday, Indian's Navy announced that it had deployed 3 guided missile destroyers as well as the P-81 reconnaissance aircraft to maintain deterrent presence in various locations. In a speech on Tuesday, Indian Defense Minister Ranjanath Singh refers to recent drone and missile attacks against the NV Chimpulu in the Arabian Sea and the NV Sharbaba in the Red Sea, saying that the Indians' growing economy and strategic power has filled some force with jealousy and envy. I'll read all the rest of that. Bring out a scripture. It's the book of Joel, chapter 3, verse 9. Proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war, wake up the mighty man, let all the men of war draw near and let them come up. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article. As I mentioned again, the increasing rise in tensions over there in the Red Sea. As it says again, U.S. intercepted over a dozen Houthi drones, missiles. IDF intercepted drones towards the Eilat as of December the 27th, 2023 from the Georgian Post. Once again, hopefully this lesson was edifying. With that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Karkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf. Till next time, I will say Shalom.